Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So what I have here, I'm using the Park Tool Chain Checker CC 3.2, and I have a really interesting project here because this chain is worn out a bit. So it's a perfect time to show you how this chain checker works in real life. Okay, so let's get quickly into it. If you look over here, you have the indicator telling you 0.75%. What does that mean? That means that this side of the chain indicator is telling you that this is going to be 75% chain worn down, just so you know. Now if you look, this one over here is 0.5. This teeth over here means that the chain will be 50% worn out. Now let me show you how this thing works. Okay, so if I look over here, I'm gonna slide it right there and let's go. And look, this thing falls through. What does that mean? That means that this chain, if you look over here, is 50% worn out. Now let's go back to the gauge 75. Okay, and if you look over here, it won't go down. So what's happening is that if you look over here, it's telling you that this chain is somewhere between 50% worn out, and you should at this time start considering replacing the chain so you don't damage the real sprockets, the cassette, and the teeth at the front on the front crank. And I think I explained it pretty simple. And I'm gonna just go again and show you. So if you look at the gauge over here, that's 50% worn out, and over here 75%. If for any case 75% indicator falls true when you insert, that means that your chain is worn more than 75% and it's well ready to be replaced. Hope you found it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.